Listen, brothers and sisters, nothing comes for free. This applies to language. If you shoot for proficiency, be ready for failure. Do not seek for praise, seek for criticism. This sets you apart from the madding crowd. Be yourself, work hard, expect nothing from people. If you want to carry on, put yourself first. Have a vision, set the plan, and then sail your ships. Failing to plan is planning to fail. We learn by consecutive failures. Embrace failures, learn from them, and move on. Ask yourself, are you maintaining or progressing? If you are maintaining, then you need to change. If you are progressing, then you need to carry on. Carry on. Professor Waleed.